These are no ordinary bicycle tubes. These extra strong inner tubes stop flats for 2 years because there is slime inside. Slime Tube Sealant seeks out and instantly seals punctures in your tubes up to 1/8, 3 mm, using Fibro-Seal Technology. Designed specifically to stop tube punctures from ruining your ride and keep you going. Schrader Valve tube, that installs like any traditional inner tube and full instructions inside every pack. Environmentally friendly. Non-toxic, non-corrosive and non-hazardous, non-flammable, water-soluble. These are no ordinary bicycle tubes. These extra strong inner tubes stop flats for 2 years because there is slime inside. Top reviews from the United States. Bring on the dirt. My poor trek mount bike has been prone to flat tires. I once had 2 in one day, and even one that exploded hanging on my car's bike rack. I don't see how this is possible. It can't be because I'm well north of 200 pounds and have a tendency to not pay attention to what I'm doing, can it? Anyway, after my most recent flat, which had the decency to wait until I got home to deflate overnight, I ordered these replacement tubes. They cost a little more because they contain slime, a self-sealant that will keep small punctures, the most common kind, from ruining your day. I have used slime from cans that reinflate a car tire successfully and figured, short of a massive blowout, it would work with a bike tube. So far, so good.